Hola chicos, today is Thursday, September 9th, and you must be at home, either absent or quarantined, to be following this video. So remember, whenever you're at home, always go to the modules, look for our weekly module. This is the week of September 7th. You would come down to Thursday to see what your lesson is for today. And as you can see over on the right-hand side, you will be taking notes on nouns and articles. And then you have some homework on the Senderos homepage. So this is linked to the module that has the instructions for your homework. So as you can see, you could also have found it in the actual modules here where we started out, right here, nouns and articles, Thursday, September 9th. So in class today, taking notes. So what you are to do is to watch this video and learn how to take notes by using this document here. So you're going to download this document, print it out so that you can take notes on it. It's taking a little bit to download, so print this out so that you can fill it in as you are watching the video tutorial. Once you have your notes guide printed, then you may go to the Senderos homepage for the next thing that we're going to do. Click on our textbook. Here's tonight's homework. Don't do it just yet. You've got to take your notes first. Go to Content, drop down to Activities. Over on the left-hand side, you want to go to Estructura 1.1. Notice it says nothing is assigned. It's because I'm not assigning it to you. So make sure that here you drop this down to All Activities. And then what you're going to do is come here underneath Learn and click on Interactive Grammar Tutorial, Nouns and Articles. Once you pull this open, then it will play the tutorial for you and you will use it to take notes over this lesson. So what you are to do is to watch this video and to take notes. After the tutorial is over and you are finished taking your notes, then try this diagnostic to do a little bit of practicing. You're going to fill in the blanks, you're going to hit start, you're going to fill in the definite and indefinite articles. So they want an indefinite article. Remember, that's una, unos, unas. So you look at cosa, and you know it'll be una cosa. Definite articles are the word the, so that's el, la, los, or las. Autobús, it ends in es, so you know it's plural, so it's either going to be los or las, but autobús ends in an s. Remember, s-enders tend to be masculine, so that is unos autobuses. Oops, should be the, right? Los autobuses. So just try those just to practice. When you are finished with that diagnostic, it will bring you back to activities. So what you want to do is go to your assignments. You can do that by either going to calendar, and remember you have assignments due on Friday. So that will be this here. Or you can go back to your course, and there it is, due Friday. So you will start these activities. And the first one, it wants you to pick the correct definite article. Remember, the definite articles are el, la, los, and las. I don't know if you can see this very well. I forget that you guys need me to zoom in. Okay, so you're picking el, la, los, and las. Hombre, it's a word for man. So would you pick el, la? Right, el. That's how you're going to complete that one. I want to point out that at the top of these activities, you have your vocabulary list to help you with these words. We are practicing the nouns, which are called sustantivos. So as you look at this list, we're working on this column here, sustantivos. That's where you're going to find all these words that we are practicing. Remember, el tells us that the word is masculine. La tells us that the word is feminine. El, la, los, or las, same idea. We're using these definite articles. Autobús is singular. I know it ends in S, but the original word is autobús. You would say autobuses if you made it plural. So it's singular, so you know it's got to be el or la. So now autobús, you would look on your list and you would see that it's masculine and you'd get el autobús. This next activity here wants you to provide the appropriate article. I want you to use indefinite articles only, okay? So make sure you're using un, una, unos, unas. So we look at this picture, and you have to tell me they are somewhat. Well, they look like tourists. Now, I know you probably don't have these words memorized yet, so remember that you can come up here and click Vocabulary List, and it will open up the vocab list, and we are working on this section right here called Sustantivos. Okay, so here's where you can find those words to help you. Okay, so the tourist is the turista, right? So it can be either el or la, because remember, ISTA words can be masculine or feminine. So then we take a look at this. We've got boys and girls, so that makes the group masculine. So if it's plural, you know it's got to be unos or unas. And if there's a masculine in there, then that means it's unos turistas. And that's how you're going to do this one, okay? Okay, on correspondencias, use definite articles, please. Those are the words for the, which are el, la, los, and las. So cuaderno is a word for notebook. That's a non-living thing, ends in an O. We know it's masculine, so that would be el, because it's singular. Palabras, non-living thing, it's words. It ends in AS, so we can tell two things. It's feminine and it's plural, so you should pick las. That's how you'll do that one. And I am all finished. I've done the 4 activities. They're 100% complete, and I'm finished for the day. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios.